Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. Thank each and every one of you who has subscribed so far, and don't forget to push that notification bell because I post Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 PM GMT time, that's UK time. But I also post bonus videos such as collabs and open invites with my YouTube friends. So today's video I'm going to share with you my go-to summer look. Now I wore this 4 days straight last week. My cousin Ellie wore something very similar to my granddad's funeral back in May, and I have adapted that, done my own style with it, and I am loving wearing it. Now I can wear this 4 days straight. I don't have to wash my hair and the plaits do stay. So it's a very simple hairstyle. You have to have your hair straight or straightest as possible, so I have to straighten mine. And it's an updo, so you just need a hairband, like a proper one, and then I've got these clear ones which I brought yesterday because I ran out of the other ones, and you just need two. Well, you need more than two because obviously they might break, but you just need two little elastics, and then I've got a middle part in because I think that works better. You can also put a scrunchie in, but for what I'm wearing today I don't want a scrunchie, so I'm just going with this, and I'll show you this simple cute hairstyle for the summer, and it's my go-to look. Like I said, I've wore it 4 days straight. I didn't actually change the plaits at all. I slept in them and everything, so if you have some hairspray, just spray it in if you're worried about the flyaways or the plaits coming undone. But seriously, it is easy as that, and just work with it, go with it. Just adds a little bit of texture to your hair for the summer and a little bit extra to a boring straight ponytail. So obviously I've got grips here as well because I have little flyaways that are on the side that just do not fit in a ponytail, so that is why I've got grips or bobby pins. And then my little layers underneath don't fit in, so I've got my barrette clip, what I wear anyway. So what you need to do is obviously brush your hair, which I've already done because I just literally straightened it. Straighten your hair if you need to, and then literally divide it in the half with the middle part in. So like so, and then I'll come in closer because I'm not sure if you'll see me plait it like this now, but yeah. So divide it in half, put one half in the ponytail so it's out of the way. And then with this bit, pick up like a little chunk. It's probably like a finger width back from my forehead, and then you're going to just plait this. You can French plait it or Dutch braid it, whatever you want, but I've divided it into three just using my fingers. And then instead of going down and round, you're going back to like where your parting would stop, and then you just pick a little bit. When you're going to put that bit into the plait, hope you can see this. So when you're putting the next bit in that's down at the bottom into the plait, you just pick up a bit of hair with it. And then when you're back at the back of your parting line, just plait this the whole way down to the bottom, just using doing a normal plait. And then when it starts getting wispy like it is now, because I'm near enough at the bottom, you just add one of your clear elastics. Like so, and then you could obviously leave it like this, just do both sides like this, but we'll do the other side. I'm not sure if that showed up enough on camera, but I'll try and zoom in and do my very best for you. again, if you want that side out of the way, just put it into a pony or a bun, whatever you want, to keep it out of the way. And then obviously you've got your other clear elastic here. Right, I'll try and do it so you can see it quite close, but I'll zoom in on this side anyway. It's because my roots are really dark where my balayage is growing out a little bit. Look, probably should have it redone soon, but then the bottom colours are really nice. Right, so again, I just guessed this, but it is pretty much the same. Oh, I wish they weren't doing whatever they're doing. Right, divide that into 3. So into 3, and then start plaiting, and then adding that little bit in from the bottom every time you add a bit of the bottom bit in. And then I always just make sure that bit at the back isn't lumpy, which it isn't now. And then again, I've got to the back of my head, so I just plait down and put your elastic in. Okay, take this one out. Now I think you could even leave your hair like this if you wanted and just have the braids in the front, like the Dutch plaits, because they are super cute just on their own. But all I do is literally put my hair up, just make sure that they sit right. If they don't, then and then you just put it up in a high ponytail, and this is where you could add your scrunchie if you wanted, but I don't want a scrunchie in today. Okay, and there you have your simple hairstyle. So obviously I said about the grips, I've got flyaways here. I said about the grips, and it's only because I get like little wispy bits here that I just put that in there, and the other side, so I can catch all them wisps as they fly away. And then I just put my barrette in the bottom where I've got layers. But that is my simple, easy, go-to summer style. Obviously you could pancake the plait so it stood out more, but it just adds texture to your hair style. And you can obviously go higher than this, just pull it tight. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Would you try this as a style on yourself, on your daughter, on your wife, on your grandma, on your mum? Who would you try it on? I think it would look cute on absolutely anyone. I hope you all enjoyed this, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Bye.